Welcome back to High Life Dubai, where we recap all the milestones achieved in the growth of this city. Dubai's evolution has not only impressed people living here, but all over the world. Swedish-born artist Fabian Edelstam put together a collection of 15 artworks featuring oil and photography on canvas in tribute to the 40 years of the UAE. Let's go over to the Armani Hotel Dubai and take a look. Fabian Edelstam, who has been mesmerized by the great personalities, architecture and everyday life in the UAE and recreated that through his artwork, his collection takes you through a fascinating journey into the Arabian soul. And now we hear it from the great artist himself about what inspired this exquisite exhibition.
This exhibition is about the UAE 40. The Emirates Revisited, and so it's about the history of the country, and I've been recycling work that images of the icons of the country, like the ruling family and some life in the UAE. I heard about the Emirates already when I was a kid, and then I've been reading about it, and I've been following the boom of the country, and then I had friends here, and then I came here to visit, and like this, the idea of an exhibition grew in my head.
Portraits of the visionaries of the UAE, the 100 and 200 dirhams banknotes, the Arabian horse and many more images speak of Fabian's deep level of interest in the subject.
I believe it's a great concept of art, which I've not seen in so many years. And it's a mixed media concept together with photographic art on a canvas. And the artist really depicted a real concept of Emirati heritage. And I believe it's a real cultural heritage which he's trying to depict for this part of the world in Dubai.
Actually, I really liked it. I like the way how Fabian Edelstam treats the subject of the pictures, like a mosaic. And like the main topic of his exhibition is, of course, Dubai, who's celebrating its 40th anniversary.
So I think it's very nice. It's very original.
I really like it. I mean, I like how the background actually comments and complements the actual painting, and how they kind of blend into each other, but they're not part of each other. And I like the fact that he puts his own signature by, you know, placing the different. It's nice. It makes it postmodern. It makes it modern, and at the same time, it's really classic because of the pictures. So yeah, I like it.
It's fantastic actually here to be on 800. It goes here 800 meters up to stand here on the ground level, to have a huge crowd here and have fantastic artworks.
And after this deserving tribute to the Arabian culture, let's peek into the world of contemporary Indian art at 1 by 1 Art Gallery, where we are shooting this episode tonight. Featuring contemporary Indian artists including Chitrabanu Majumdar, Shibu Natesan, Jagannath Panda, Mithu Sen and Anju Dodia, this exhibition touches on the rapid globalization of India. Each of the artists have diverse styles, from the late modernist techniques of Majumdar to the photorealist style of Shibu Natesan. Majumdar's work represents a blend of late modernism with sculptural installation. Let's talk to him and find out the inspiration behind his work.
Well, I think it's many years of work. We've been trained as a painter, so light is so important to all artists. So, and this is where you question light itself, of can it be, can the light itself be your work, rather than work being lit by light. So that's the kind of a work that's the space I come from, and then explore the various ways of using light. Does it help to float an idea and bring about a thought?
Shibu Natesan's works urges the viewers to search within his painting for the soul and find its own meaning.
I think the work is very good. I think the whole show comes together really well. Each piece holds its own and adds to the total.
This time we decided that, we'll do something different, make it into a group show, and, I kind of felt there was a great synergy in the works of all these artists, and I'm really happy with the way the works have turned out and the connect between them. I think it's a very strong show. So.
It's always so inspiring to see such creativity. Here's some food for thought. I recently read that thinking is the enemy of creativity. It is self-conscious, and anything self-conscious is not going to let you create.
Sri Lanka.
And before we take a short break, here's one more chance for all our UAE-based viewers to win a 2-night vacation in Sri Lanka, courtesy Sri Lankan Airlines and Cinnamon Grand Colombo. Hurry and check out our Facebook fan page now. I'll see you all in a bit. Coming up after the break, we celebrate with Christian Dior at the ultimate nightclub, Qawwali Club, Dubai, after which Splash does it again with their Splash Fashion Paradise.